business and you have been handling my accounts. I just wanted to know, I wanted to upgrade my business and I just wanted some funds. So I just wanted to know like how can I do it and without asking for funds because it's a burden to pay in the bank.
Okay.
Already I have a loan.
Understood your question. Basically, what you want, that loan is already with you,
Yeah.
or you don't want to borrow, but you want to grow your business.
Yes.
So I'll tell you one thing, a very simple thing. As we are going to grow our business, there is a big myth to say that borrowings are the burden. In fact, borrowings can create wealth for us. I'll tell you how these borrowings creates wealth for us, how you should grow. Important is when we are taking borrowings, because in general, when we borrow the funds, we are never taking care what is the time of the borrowings, how much is the interest, how these funds should be utilized, where these funds and business should be utilized, what is the time to repay these funds, and how we should manage the funds. The very fact, one thing I'll tell you, that borrowings are the wealth creators. We can create huge wealth out of the borrowings. Now, simple thing, when we say borrowings, no, debt equity ratio, we follow that in our business, debt equity ratio, meaning borrowings and our own funds. These two ratio, we say 2:1. Imagine I have 1,000 rupees of mine and 2,000 I can borrow from the market. Okay, I can run my business with this 3,000 rupees. Fine. Question comes, the first question, whether my business can absorb these 3,000 rupees. Do I have all the scope? Do I have the scope to put in this much of amount in the business? Is the first. Second thing, the rate of interest at which I'm going to borrow the funds. Now what happens generally? I am in need of funds, so when I borrow the funds, any interest offered by the bank, I borrow these funds. The very fact is, every business has got its ROI. ROI meaning return on investment.
Okay.
Meaning, today if you put in your business around 1 lakh rupees and you can earn, after all expenditure, if you can earn 10,000 rupees, meaning your rate of return on the investment is 10%. Now, borrowings cannot go more than 8%, more than 7%. So, when you have to borrow, your borrowings has to be between 7 and 8%.
Okay.
Because that much you can pay and the remaining will remain with you. Getting it?
Yes.
So, for example, what happens now? How you create wealth, because borrowings are, huge wealth creator. How you can create wealth out of it? I'll tell you. Simple is that my rate of return is 20%. Meaning is, whatever amount I borrow or whatever amount I invest in my business, I get 20% profit. Okay, rest all the expenditures goes, 20% profit I get. What I will do, I'll borrow the funds maximum at 12%. Okay, meaning is, I invested 1,000 rupees in my business, 2,000 I borrowed from bank, I borrowed at 12%, 3,000 rupees I invested in my business, my profit for first year will be 20%, 20% meaning 600 rupees is my profit.
Yes.
Okay, out of the 600, how much interest I have to pay to outsider or to bank is 12% on 2,000. Now, so 12% on 2,000 meaning 240.
Yeah.
Out of 600, 240 I'll pay interest. Left with 360. Now this 360 is my profit, out of which 160 is the profit which I earned on 2,000 rupees, which is not belonging to me, which is belonging to someone else. I borrowed it. Left. Out of this 160 which I earned on someone else's money, the 100 rupees I paid off as principal. Okay. This 100 rupees has become my wealth. Getting it?
Yeah.
my business is having investment of 3,000, but now I have borrowings of 1,900 only. I don't have borrowings of 2,000. So next year my earning will remain 600, 20% on 3,000,
Yeah.
but I will pay 12% on 1,900, not on 2,000. So this way, every year, first year 100, second year 120, 130, 140, I'm repaying. And whatever principal repayment I'm doing every year, that has become my own wealth.
Understood.
Getting my point?
Yeah.
So every year, certain amount of the borrowings becomes my own capital. One day will come when all 2,000 I'll pay off. That day, my own capital will be 3,000 rupees.
Understood.
That day, I can grow my business by borrowing 6,000 more. Now my business was 9,000. I started my business with 1,000.
Yeah.
Okay, I borrowed 2,000. I utilized it properly. I paid off on time. I paid principal amount. This amount became my own wealth. Now, after some time, my owned capital is 3,000. That day I got the eligibility to borrow from the market 6,000. So next time my capital, the total business investment is 9,000. That is the way to create wealth. So borrowings always plays a huge amount of role in our life, in our business to grow as well as to create wealth. Important is when to borrow, how much to borrow, at what rate to borrow, and how to repay it, how to create wealth out of it. So the very fact is borrowings are good enough for every business. We should borrow, but wisely and with strategically and with right planning. So that's what is very important about that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Understood. Thank you.